Salamun alaikum. Has Allah given authority to anybody to explain the Quran?
Salamun alaikum tibtum mubarakatum tayyiba. Rabbi a'udhu bika min hamasati shayateen wa a'udhu bika rabbi an yahdurun. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi wa salamun ala ibadihi alladhina istafa wa salamun ala al-mursaleen. Walhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Rabbi Zidni Ilma. My dear brothers and sisters, my dear friends, and my dear audience, there is a question that I would like to answer here in accordance with the Holy Quran. That is, has Allah given the authority to anybody else to explain the Quran? That is also very, very important question for us and for you, because Allah Almighty Himself explained the Quran in detail. That has been mentioned in the Holy Quran, several ayah, several verses. But nowadays, many commentators and interpreters who are trying to explain the Quran and telling this like Allah's explanation is not enough to understand the Quran well, but we'll have to seek any other commentary, any other interpretation from various mufassir, various claiming interpreters, which is going on. That is absolutely wrong, that is absolutely forbidden in the Holy Quran. Because Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, Allah Almighty, did not give any power, any authority to anybody else to explain the Quran. Because Allah has declared and mentioned the whole authority of explaining the Quran, whole power of explaining the Quran upon Allah Almighty. He has been declared, He has mentioned in Surah Al-Qiyamah, Surah number 75, verse number 19. Summa inna alayna bayana. After that, the explanation of Quran, the detailing of the Holy Quran, the commentary of the Holy Quran, the full of interpretation of the Holy Quran upon me. Allah has said, Allah is the one and only authority to explain the Quran. So, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, Allah Almighty, did not give any authority to anybody to explain the Quran. But they are claiming this tafsir, that tafsir. And we are listening, Tafsir Ibn Kasir, Tafsir al-Bahr al-Muhin, Tafsir al-Mazhari, Tafsir Qurtubi, Tafsir Miragi, Tafsir Haqqani, many more tafsir, book of tafsir. And those people are claiming they have authority to explain the Quran beside the Allah's explanation. That is absolutely wrong. For that reason, people are not getting right path. But they are following man-made book and they are following man-made commentary of the Holy Quran. But Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala has declared in Surah Al-An'am, Surah number 6, verse number 126, قَدْ فَصَّلْنَا الْآيَةِ. Allah said, I myself have detailed the Quran. I myself have explained the Quran in detail, all ayah, all verses of the Quran. And it will mention, and it has been mentioned in Surah Al-An'am, Surah number 6, verse number 96, 97. قَدْ فَصَّلْنَا الْآيَةِ. قَدْ فَصَّلْنَا الْآيَةِ. Allah has used this word, a proven number, and Allah has increased the confidence of the word فَصَّلْنَا. That means Allah Himself explained the Quran, described the Quran only, all the verses of the Holy Quran. And Allah did not give any authority, even though, to Salamun ala Muhammad to explain the Quran. But Allah has said, you just describe the people what you are taught by Allah Almighty. In Surah Nahl, Surah number 16, verse number 43. لِتُبَيَّنَ لِلنَّاسِ. Oh Muhammad, you just express, you just state, you just narrate the people or manus ilayhim, what has been revealed to them. That is your duty. The explanation of the Quran is the duty of Allah, and preaching, the duty of preaching, duty of proclaiming of the Quran is the duty of messenger, duty of Salam Muhammad. And you know, I will get it in Surah Nahl, Surah number 16, verse number 35. There is no any duty for the messengers, for the prophets, except the clear preaching, crystal clear proclamation. There is no any duty except the clear preaching, clear proclaiming of the Holy Quran. Prophets have no power. I mean, Sayyidina Muhammad has no power, had no power, have no power to explain the Quran. But he only disclosed the Allah's message. That is how he was commanded to follow personally, individually, and convey publicly for following the Quran alone. So Allah did not give any authority to anybody else to explain the Quran. Allah has mentioned in Surah Bani Israel, Surah number 17, verse number 12, وَكُلَّ شَيْءٍ فَصَّلْنَاهُ تَفْصِيلًا. In everything, I myself have explained with full of explanation, by the nicest way, by the best way, by the highest way, beautifully, tremendously, marvelously. Allah has explained the Quran with full of explanation. So Allah has used the cognitive object in English grammar and maf'ul al-mutlaq in Arabic grammar. وَكُلَّ شَيْءٍ فَصَّلْنَاهُ تَفْصِيلًا. Everything I myself have detailed, have explained with full of exposition, full of explanation. So many more verses. There are 200 more verses in the Holy Quran that has been proved, that has been proven, but that will prove the authority of explaining the Quran only up to the Allah Almighty. Allah did not give any authority, any power to anybody else, even although to Salam Muhammad to explain the Quran. That is absolutely very, very clear if you go through the details of the Holy Quran, and if you read out those verses, what I have presented here, and if you go through the details, then you will understand this issue, this matter very, very well. Assalamu alaikum. Ibn Mubarak.